a small PPT about Arduino. We need to just know what is an Arduino and how to work on it. Okay, so introduction to Arduino topic, we'll just cover the Arduino and the digital IO, that is digital input output pin, and we'll also cover the analog input output pin in that. Okay, so we'll cover these many things so that we understand how we can work using Arduino. Clear? So let's start this one. Next slide. This is a basic Arduino board. As we've already seen, this is a basic Arduino Uno board. Now, actually, Arduino has different kinds of board. This one is an Arduino Uno board, in which we can see that these are the small LEDs. This one is the diode, that is a small LED which shows that, which is connected to the pin 13. Here we have pin 13. Pin 13 is connected with this LED, and this shows that if we are giving any connection to pin 13, this LED will work as an output. Clear? Now here we have transmitter and receiver, TX and RX. That is, this one is a receiver, RX stands for receiver, TX stands for transmitter. So transmitter receiver LED, that means the data transmission and reception process is taking place by means of these two LED. If these two glows, that means the reception and the transmission process is working. Okay? Now this one is a serial USB to serial IC. USB to serial IC, that means if we need to have a connection that is USB to serial, in that the case, we need to just go to that particular IC. This is the IC USB to serial. So we'll just connect it through IC, that is a USB connection. This is a USB jack. Here we have a USB jack. We can see that the USB jack is available in the Arduino Uno board. This one is a resettable fuse. This is a resettable fuse, and this one is a 6 megahertz crystal. As we know that we need to have a crystal also. Then this one is a dropout and 5-volt low dropout regulator. Clear? This is a DC power jack. यहाँ पर एक DC power jack है. Then we have this one, basic important thing for about the Arduino is this one is an Atmega 328 controller. Now we need to have one controller because Arduino is nothing but a controller board. Controller along with everything, all other stuff, that is input output pins, in which we can have input output pins, the controllers, the USB ports, and the other ports as well. So this is a complete board where through which we can perform, you can design any of your project. So this is the controller which is used in Arduino. Atmega, that is Atmel. Atmel is a company's name. Atmega 328 is the controller name. Okay, microcontroller name. Here we have reset. This is a red button. Red button is nothing but a reset button. If we just press it, the entire project will be reset. In circuits, serial programming header, here we have serial programming header, and this one is a power LED. Now this LED glows. If this LED glows, that means the power is on. So by this we can see our LED. Now this side we have all 13 digital IO pins, that is digital input output pins. So from 0 to 13 we have the digital input output pins. After that we have a ground pin as well. Here this side it is a power pin. Power pin यहाँ पर भी है, where we have 5 volt, 3.3 volt, reset, ground, and then we have analog pins, A0 to A5, 6 analog IO pins. IO pins stands for input output pins. Okay, so this is all about the Arduino board. Now we'll just check. Wait, someone is entering. So we'll just go through with the other slides and we'll see how we work on Arduino. Okay. Now, how to start with Arduino? We need to just go to this particular link, and then we have to download and install the Arduino environment, which is the IDE. IDE is a software which needs to be installed, and it is free. Like you can just directly download it from the site arduino.cc/in/guide/homepage. So this is from this particular link we can download this IDE Arduino software. connect the board, we need to connect through the connect the Arduino to the PC. PC से हमें connect करना है your computer via the USB cable. The USB cable is already given to us. It comes with the Arduino board.
मैम ऑडियो बहुत स्लो आ रहा है.
Audio slow आ रहा है. Is it audible now? Audible now? Am I audible now?
मैम बहुत धीरे आ रहा है.
मेरे तरफ से वॉल्यूम फुल है. The volume is full from my side. Is everyone facing the same problem? कौन किसने बोला कि अभी आवाज नहीं आ रही? बिल्कुल आपने कहा क्या? बिल्कुल. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll continue with that. So this is how we have to just connect our board. So this is the process to start with Arduino. As I have said that through this link we need to install first IDE. IDE is a software to connect the Arduino to the PC. Connect the board to your computer via the USB cable. USB cable is given to us. If needed, install the drivers, but that is again not required कि driver install करना पड़े. किसी system पे जरूरत पड़ती है, किसी laptop पे, but it is not always required. Launch the Arduino IDE. अब हमें Arduino जैसे ही हमारा install हो जाएगा, we'll get an icon in our laptop or PC, and we need to just start it. Then after that, we need to select the board. We need to select the serial port. Then we open the Blink example, upload the program. We'll just see how to go through it. Okay? Now, when we open the Arduino IDE, it just looks like this. Okay? जैसे ही हम Arduino को open करेंगे, सबसे पहले यही page open होगा. Clear? Now after that, we need to select the serial port and the board. Then we go to the sketch. Now this is particular thing which gets open up where we can program. जहाँ पर हम फाइल में जाके न्यू में भी जाएंगे तो ये एक पर्टिकुलर जो ओपन होगी इसको हम स्केच बोलते हैं, जहाँ पर we can program according to our requirement. Now we need to go to the tools first. We need to go to serial port. Serial port is the port where we have connected. Now in our laptop or PC we have 2-3 ports, right? So which particular serial port we are connecting, that is important, and we need to connect it to that particular port. Here it is given COM1, COM2. Now if you have connected to your COM1 or COM2 whatever port, then you need to just select that particular port. Similarly, you need to just go to the board. Again, in the tools option, there is an option of board also. In the board, you need to select Arduino Uno, because as we can see, there are many Arduino boards available, but those are not that we are connecting, right? We are just connecting it to the Arduino Uno board. So we need to select the Arduino Uno board. Okay? So after selecting with Arduino Uno board, we need to write the sketch. Again, as I've said कि previous वाली इसमें slide में, that this is the window which gets open up, and this is known as sketch. Clear? Now we need to write the sketch. Press compile button. We'll do one by one to check for errors. Now press upload buttons to program Arduino board with your sketch. Okay, try it out with Blink sketch. We'll just see how the Blink LED sketch goes, and then we'll check that how it works. Now if suppose this is our code, if this is our code, and then we'll go for compiling done, it shows that they done compiling. Then there is an option of upload का option आएगा. Then in the board we have TXRX LED. As we can see that we have TXRX LED. If these two glows, TXRX जैसे ही glow करेगा, that means that हमारा board हमारे code से connect हो चुका है. TXRX should blink if you are working, if you are uploading the code in the board. अगर आप code को board में upload कर रहे हो तो TXRX आपका glow करना चाहिए. Then sketch run. ठीक है, तो ये आपका blink होना start हो जाएगा. So this is using Arduino. Now here the simple example that we can make use of any of the sensor or transducer, then we can connect it to Arduino. Arduino is connected to PC, and that is how it works. ठीक है. Now this is a digital input output. Digital IO is binary value, as we all know that it's either on or off, 1 or 0. Internally all microprocessors are digital. ठीक है. We also know that we work only in on off state if it is digital. So this is what is our, the second one is our digital, where we have volt and we have time. So that is how it works. Now Arduino digital IO pin mode, this is a simple code that we need to know about the digital IO. We need to enter the pin mode. Pin mode will have the pin number and then the mode. Sets up either input or output. हमें इसमें input भी दे सकते हैं, हम इसमें output भी दे सकते हैं. Then digital read bracket pin reads high or low from a pin. मतलब वो वहां से high read करेगा, low read करेगा pin से. That will read about the digital read. Then digital write pin oblique value writes high or low to a pin. मतलब वहां पर high लिखेगा कि low लिखेगा. तो ये आपका write, that means it will show the output, and digital read will be our input. ये input लेगा, digital write will be the output. ठीक है. तो that is how we write about our input output code. So digital read will always be the input, digital write will always be the output. Clear? So that is our first program. Blink, this is going to be our program. We have the two options. All these are nothing but the small descriptions about the program. Turn on an LED on for 1 second, then off for 1 second. That is how we'll go to execute it. LED को हम एक सेकंड के लिए ऑन करेंगे, then एक सेकंड के लिए ऑफ रहेगा, then एक सेकंड के लिए ऑन करेंगे, then एक सेकंड के लिए ऑफ रहेगा. That is how it will work. This example code is in public domain. ये open है, ये आपके already IDE platform पर available है. Now that is how it starts. We have to start with void setup. हमेशा we start with void setup. मतलब initializing our program. Initialize the digital pins. Pins को initialize करना as an output. Pin 13 has an LED connected on most Arduino boards. Pin 13 जैसे मैंने बताया कि आपके Arduino board का जो pin 13 रहता है वो आपके default LED से connected रहता है. Arduino में default LED है, as we have already seen. It has a default LED connected to it, that is at pin 13. So we write pin 13, pin mode bracket 13 comma output. That will show the output. Then we write the code, a small code, that is void loop. In the here we have the this curve bracket, then digital write inside the bracket 13 comma high, that set the LED on. ठीक है. Then delay, we give a delay, that is 1000. That will be a millisecond. ठीक है. Wait for a second, that is it counts for a millisecond, तो वो एक second wait करेगा. Digital write 13 low, then set the LED off. Low करेंगे तो वो off हो जाएगा. Then delay 1000 again, wait for a second. So that is how it will be written. बहुत small सा एक छोटा सा ही code है, but that is again required. ठीक है. So this is these are our IO, digital IO input output pins. These are our analog input pins. ठीक है. So from this we have, this is our TX RX, and somewhere here we have the LED which is connected to pin 13. ठीक है. This is digital input, that is again through a push button. हम यहाँ पर एक push button के through भी इसको कर सकते हैं. That is not required. Use a push button to turn on off LED. हम push button भी use कर सकते हैं हम LED को turn on और off करने के लिए. This is the small code. This is the small connection which is shown here by making use of a push button. Now, thank you. We'll start the connection. Let me just close this one. Arduino स्टार्ट करते हैं. थोड़ा देर रुक जाओ जैसू. हाँ, मैं बाद में कॉल करती हूँ. No longer exist. So, is the screen visible? My Arduino board is visible to everyone. The IDE is visible or not, students?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
So I have just opened this one. मतलब मैंने सिर्फ Arduino को open किया है. Here my in the screen. Let me just minimize it. Here we can see that this kind of my screen is visible, right? My desktop is visible. मेरा desktop visible है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the Arduino. Like this one will be the icon which will be available, and if you just click on it, this screen gets opened. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर पूरा ये already mentioned है, जो blink है ना, blink LED का ही पूरा ये code mentioned रहता है. So this is how it is mentioned. Pin mode LED underscore built-in output. ये built-in लिखा हुआ है. As we can see that it is already mentioned. Pin mode bracket LED underscore built-in bracket. Built-in का क्या मतलब है? LED underscore built-in का क्या मतलब है? Can anybody reply? Yes. If this is visible, you can see the code, right? Code is visible to everyone. Yes, students. If the code is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बताओ उसमें बिल्ट इन का क्या मतलब है? व्हाट इज अबाउट बिल्ट इन? बिल्ट इन का क्या मतलब है? अगर कोड विजिबल है, इफ दिस इज विजिबल, देन टेल मी व्हाट इज द बिल्ट इन? एलईडी अंडरस्कोर बिल्ट इन मतलब ऑलरेडी Arduino बोर्ड में एक बिल्ट इन आउटपुट पिन रहता है, एंड दैट इज द पिन 13. पिन 13 इज कनेक्टेड टू वन एलईडी इन द Arduino बोर्ड. Arduino बोर्ड में ही एक एलईडी रहती है जो कि कनेक्टेड रहती है पिन 13 से. ठीक है, तो हम पिन 13 यहाँ पर अगर देंगे तो उसी में का एक आउटपुट, उसी में की एक एलईडी वो कनेक्टेड रहेगी. दैट इज व्हाट इज बिल्ट इन. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव void loop that is given digital write. As I said, LED built in high. It will be high if we give digital write. मतलब digital write is always an output. ठीक है, that is an output, and delay is for 1000. Then we give digital write LED built in low for again 1000. What is 1000? 1000 is a millisecond. It's not the second, it's a millisecond. So it will be just high for 1 second and it will be low for 1 second. So we need to just connect it and we need to just check whether it is working or not. Okay, so let me just connect it. I'll just stop sharing, then we can focus on the camera. So this is our code. This is our breadboard. As we can see that this is our breadboard. Here, this one is an Arduino board. As I've already shown to you, this is an Arduino board, and this is the Arduino Uno board. Okay, is this visible? The Arduino Uno board is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
It's visible, right? Now the Arduino Uno board has this side, it's a power supply. We have a camera के नीचे, हाँ, we have a power supply port. That is power supply का port रहता है. Port से connect करो उसको पहले. This needs to be connected. This is a power supply port. We need to connect it to power supply port. Now the another side of it, this is the another side that is to be connected to the laptop. Okay, so I'm just connecting it to the laptop. So it's connected to the laptop. Now we can see that the LEDs are glowing. We can see that here I'm having a power LED. This one is a power LED. This one is a power LED which is glowing here, and here we have one more LED which is the built-in LED. This one is a built-in LED. ठीक है, इसमें अभी output नहीं गया है, but still it is glowing. So this is a power LED which glows when we connect it to the laptop. ठीक है, now this one is a built-in LED. Now we'll connect it and through the आउटपुट दैट इज टू अनदर एलईडी. हम इसे एक्सटर्नल एलईडी से कनेक्ट करेंगे. इसको हम अभी भी इसको क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं. रिसीवर, लेट अस जस्ट चेक बाय द कोड. मैं जो कोड है मैं उसी को मैं रन कर रही हूँ. लेट मी जस्ट शेयर माय स्क्रीन अगेन.
बोर्ड सेलेक्ट
रुको तो हाँ बोर्ड उसी वे में इसलिए शेयर कर रही हूँ स्क्रीन का. So this is the screen. As we have already discussed that we need to select the board and then we need to select the port also. Port it is showing COM3. COM3 को ही हम select करेंगे. Can we see? Can everybody see this one? I am just selecting the port here. So I need to select the port. ठीक है? तो COM3 is available here. So I am selecting the port COM3 which is showing Arduino Genuine Uno. ठीक है? Is it visible everyone? Just reply student if this is visible or
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
In the port right now. ठीक है? The port is selected which comes under the tools option. Then I am going to the board. Board, as we can see when I am going to the board option, we are getting the different types of Arduino board. We need to select Arduino Uno, Arduino Genuino Uno. ठीक है? So we are selecting it. Now it's done. We have selected the board and we have selected the port. Now this one is this right click. As I am going to this option, here this is a verify. And after that we have an upload. So first let me just go to the verify. I'm verifying it. It is showing the compiling sketch. ठीक है? Is this visible? The compiling sketch option is visible and this side it is showing that it is trying to compile thing. ठीक है? यहाँ पर compile हो रहा है. The green bar is increasing. Green bar ये आगे compile कर रहा है. ठीक है? So till the compiling done, as the compiling will be done, this side it will show compiling done. So it will take few seconds of time, then the compiling process will be done. See, it's over now. The compiling done. Done compiling is showing. Now after that, we need to go for upload. We need to go for upload. Uploading. Now the uploading is done. A small error is showing, which is not actually it is not of much use. यहाँ पर ज़्यादा problematic नहीं है ये error यहाँ पर. As we just see to the screen, हम अपने screen में अगर देखेंगे this one, that the LED has started glowing. ये LED यहाँ पर glow कर रहा है automatically. And if we just run, लेकिन वो delay नहीं हो रहा, on off नहीं हो रहा है.
वो कुछ दिक्कत कर रहा है.
एक मिनट इसमें रीसेट करके देखिए क्या. रीसेट करो. We just try to reset it. Now I'm just uploading the program again. Now the uploading process is done. As we can see the LED that it is blinking. Can we see that the LED is blinking? LED is blinking. It is on.
Yes.
On for 1 second and then it's off for 1 second. ठीक है? So the LED is on for 1 second and it's off for 1 second. Now let me just go to the code again. Let me just make it 5000. ठीक है? I'm just making it 5000. Delay, I am putting a delay of 5000. ठीक है? That is on for 5 seconds and low for off for 5 seconds. Now again, let me just upload it. It's done now, uploaded. Now we can see the screen that LED is off now. Now it is on. We can see the screen that LED is on and it will be on for 5 seconds and then it will be off for 5 seconds again. Okay, so we have increased the delay and we can see that it is working. Now let us just check with the external LED. Now that was the inbuilt LED. वो inbuilt LED था. तो pin 13 इसका जो output है वहां पर हम pin 13 वहां पे लिख देंगे. Instead of in the code we'll just write pin 13. ठीक है? और 13 में हम एक LED connect कर देंगे. ठीक है? So Sir is giving a connection. LED, it has the anode and the cathode. The as we know that in the LED, as we can see, LED में हमेशा एक anode होता है. There's an anode and there's a cathode. So the longer one is always an anode and this one is a cathode. So anode needs to be connected. Connect करो नितिन. Pin 13 में anode connected रहेगा. Pin 13 will be connected to an anode और उसी के पास में ground है. We need to just pin 13 hai, and after that we have a ground also. Now we can see that directly that it's glowing now and then it's off and then it's on again. So for 5 seconds it will be on, for 5 seconds it will be off. Clear? Now we can even connect it to the breadboard. इसको निकाल के breadboard में connect करो नितिन. Through resistor. So we need to just connect one LED to the breadboard. Now the anode needs to be connected through a resistor, and then through the resistor we need to give connection to the pin 13, and then the cathode side needs to be given connected to the ground. Now again it's working. Now as we can see that the LED is glowing and it is glowing for it's off for 5 seconds. Again it will start glowing for 5 seconds. Then is the thing clear to you, everyone? Students, that was a very small experiment that we have performed today, and one important thing that I would like to share that today by today I will share the lab manual, and in that we have one more experiment. ठीक है, तो वो experiment को आपको खुद को perform करना है. You'll have to purchase this Arduino board. You'll have to purchase all the components required for that Arduino board. इसकी coding is already available in the net. Internet में पूरा available है. We can search for the coding, and in fact I'm sending the coding in the lab manual also. Lab manual में भी coding available है. If you can code it from your side, that's very good, but if you cannot code it, मैम ground connection कहाँ पर होता है? After pin 13 we have a ground pin. यहाँ पर भी रहता है, and this side also we have a ground connection. यहाँ पर भी रहता है. Here also we have the ground connections. This side, ठीक है? Now both the sides we have ground connection. यहाँ पर रहता है हमारे पास, यहाँ पर इनपुट, यहाँ पर वोल्टेज सप्लाई का भी रहता है 5 वोल्ट, 3.3 वोल्ट, एंड देन वी हैव द ग्राउंड. यहाँ पे ग्राउंड के 2-3 पिन ऑप्शन रहते हैं. ठीक है, इज दिस विजिबल नाउ? यहाँ पे रहता है, यहाँ पे दिस साइड. ठीक है, यहाँ पर वी हैव द ग्राउंड पिन्स यहाँ पर. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पर भी रहता है पिन 13 के जस्ट बाद में जो पिन रहता है, दिस साइड वी हैव द ग्राउंड पिन. ठीक है, सो वी कैन मेक यूज ऑफ एनी ऑफ द ग्राउंड पॉइंट. किसी भी पॉइंट में हम लोग उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. दैट साइड ऑल्सो वी हैव द ग्राउंड. हम कहीं पर कभी ग्राउंड को यूज कर सकते हैं. ब्रेड बोर्ड में यहाँ पर आप कहीं पर भी कनेक्शन दो, यहाँ से डायरेक्ट आप उठा के भी कर सकते हो. दीज पॉइंट्स आर सॉर्टेड. ये यहाँ पर जो रहते हैं ना, ये शॉर्ट रहते हैं. ठीक है, ये जो रहते हैं ये वर्टिकली ये शॉर्ट रहते हैं. तो आप अगर यहाँ पर कनेक्ट कर रहे हो तो इन्हीं के साइड में से आपको दूसरा उसका पॉइंट उठाकर ग्राउंड करना पड़ेगा. ब्रेड बोर्ड में कहीं नहीं रहता है, कोई ग्राउंड नहीं रहता है. वो आप कहीं से भी उसको चूज करके कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, so that is how we can make the connections. All the connections are available in the YouTube में पूरे connections available है. मैं जो आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए बोलूंगी, वो जो नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट आप परफॉर्म करोगे, वो उसको भी आप YouTube में सर्च कर सकते हो. और कोडिंग भी पूरी अवेलेबल रहती है. नेट में अगर टाइप करके सर्च करोगे, इट्स ऑलवेज अवेलेबल, इट्स ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. ठीक है, तो जस्ट गो थ्रू इट, परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट, और आपको मंडे तक सबको फाइल अपलोड करना है पूरा कंप्लीट करके एक्सपेरिमेंट. ये कितना के का रजिस्टर होता है?
ये
2K के.
ये 230.
वी नीड टू जस्ट कनेक्ट द रजिस्टर। ये रजिस्टर कनेक्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है एलईडी के साथ, अदरवाइज द एलईडी विल बी डैमेज्ड। ये 230K का रजिस्टर रहता है, ठीक है, 230 का रहता है, 230 का रजिस्टर,
230
हाँ 230 220 का रजिस्टर रहता है। तो ये आपको उसको यूज करना जरूरी है, अदरवाइज द एलईडी विल बी, अगर डायरेक्ट करोगे तो जल जाएगा, लेकिन एलईडी के डैमेज होने के चांसेस ज्यादा रहते हैं। तो हमेशा कभी भी कनेक्ट करो तो एलईडी को रजिस्टर के साथ ही कनेक्ट करना, ठीक है। Do we have to make a video of our project? That is not required, but if you can send the video, तो that will be better. अब मैं उसको चेक कर पाऊंगी, देख पाऊंगी कि आप उसको बना रहे हो। It will hardly take few seconds, मतलब या तो 1 मिनट या 2 मिनट से ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेगा अगर आप पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का वीडियो बनाओगे तो, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आप अपना सिस्टम में कोड को रन करते हुए दिखाओगे और उसके बाद आप यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट अपना उसको वर्क करके दिखाओगे, एंड इट विल बी वर्किंग। एंड द प्रोजेक्ट कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल सा प्रोजेक्ट है। एक आपको 7 सेगमेंट डिस्प्ले खरीदना है और आपको 7 सेगमेंट डिस्प्ले की पूरी कोडिंग करनी है। दिस इज द 7 सेगमेंट डिस्प्ले, दिस इज द 7 सेगमेंट डिस्प्ले। इसकी कोडिंग करनी है, तो इसकी जैसे कोडिंग करोगे तो वो 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 तक का आपको इसमें डिस्प्ले होकर दिखाएगा, ठीक है। और इसमें भी आपके ये रजिस्टर्स आपके बहुत सारे लगेंगे, सारे रजिस्टर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होंगी, और ये सब अलग अलग जो इसमें पोर्ट्स है, एज वी कैन सी दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स, जैसे हमने देखा